ladies and gentlemen. Nope, sorry, let me try again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Discovery Expo. Today is part 4, and we're wrapping up Discovery Expo Season 3. So make sure you check out this video, take notes, as always, because you never know, questions could come from this on Win Big, Right Meow, which is happening tomorrow. So let's take a look at the video, and I'll show you the secret word after.
Last, what I want to do is kind of wrap up with the key accessibility resources. So there's a lot to take in. I realize this is just a flood of information. This is meant to really be a commercial to get you interested, kind of understanding why you would want to include accessibility and highlight the accessibility features inside of your communications and interactions with customers to make their purchase more personal and create the solution that is best fit to them. Now, because we couldn't cover all the accessibility features, there's a few different resources that you're really going to want to go into and look at. So there is a disability inclusion sway. So that one basically goes into the best practices as far as how to create a inclusive workplace and inclusive documents and so forth. The number one sort of site that people would usually want to go to find the latest and greatest features is the accessibility feature sway. That has broken down by product, and it has it broken down by type of disability. So if you want to look at what are the accessibility features for me inside of Word, you can go and look at that. And within inside of Word, it actually breaks it down into, features that are targeted more for people that are blind or for deaf. And then if you want to look at it, hey, I want to look at all the accessibility features that help people with cognitive disabilities, there's actually a slice and a way to look at that inside of that accessibility feature sway. The accessibility site is actually where you want to have people go to get started. That has training with respect to using like screen readers against our Office documents and the Microsoft platform. That's really the one-stop shop for end user customer training. I put a link in here to the DAD, the Disability Answer Desk, and so that Consumer Disability Answer Desk, there's there's email, I think there's a phone number, I think there's TTL. There's a bunch of ways in which customers can actually interact with the Disability Answer Desk, and so this is something that you'll want to let every customer know. They may not acknowledge it, but they may find that that is very important, and they may come back and you may build that deeper relationship just by giving them additional help that they may not be willing to admit that they need. The last thing is the accessibility blog. That is all the latest and greatest happenings around accessibility across the board at Microsoft. On the right-hand side, I put Playing Together. There's some great articles about accessibility features in Xbox One, how Xbox is trying to eliminate barriers, and some of the benefits and key scenarios around using Xbox Adaptive Controller. All of these are hyperlinks so that you can go and look a little bit more in depth. So with that, I'm done for today, and hopefully you've understood how all these different scenarios not only benefit people with disabilities, but also benefit people of all walks of life. It makes the power user more productive. It allows the working mom that has a stay-at-home child to be more productive and help them out more and provide additional tools to the children that are now working and being schooled at home. So all of these scenarios, not only accessibility and disabilities, but all of these scenarios are addressed by these accessibility features being highlighted. So really go out there and make productivity personal and show that everything is really driving towards trying to make everyone their best.
All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you enjoyed that video. And the secret word of today, is resources. Resources is your secret word for today. All right, guys, tomorrow is our final Win Big, Right Meow. So make sure you guys are there, you studied up, and you're ready because we got a lot of great questions and, of course, always a lot of great prizes. Tune in as always, and hope you're enjoying Discovery Expo. And if you're new to this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit that follow. All right, thank you guys.